So I needed a few inserts, so I ordered up a few from Enco there. Let me check them out. Oh, these ones are they're T. See if it even says it on here. TPGB 321s. I use these for the dovetail cutter I make. So I got a few of those extras. Hopefully this summer I'll maybe get a few bolts so I can make a few more of those. What else I got here? These are DNMG 431s. I have a big cutter for using the lance, and that I got off eBay, and I had no inserts for it, so I ordered up a few of these. These are actually work really well for finish cuts. I really like them. So got a few of those. See, these are those are 431s, and these are 432 DNMG 432s. So these have a little bigger radius. These are instead of a 64th, these are 32nd radius. One. That's that last number is the radius of the 4 is the these are okay. So 432. 4 is the inscribed circle, which is what will circle fit centered up concentric with that hole. These are 1/2 inch. 4 4/16. 4 eighths. I'm sorry, they're 1/2 inch. They're 4 eighths. That's why it's a 4. And then the 2 is the radius. And the 2 is a 2/64. I think that's how they figure that. That's why it's a 2. So these are VBMT 221s. I have a small holder for the AXA tool post. I use a 1/2 inch tool that takes these. I use them on the Logan, but I could use them on the Lance lathe also. I use them mostly on the Logan for reaching in real tight spots. So I need a few of those. These are 1/4 inch inscribed circles. 2 eighths. That's why the first number is a 2. Anyway, there's some inserts. I need to start trying to get some of these on eBay, but boy, sometimes bidding's tough on there. But when things are on sale, I'll pick up some from Enco. Little bumper update. Well, fall over here. Roscoe update. There's Roscoe. He's hungry again. I think he's always hungry. Yeah, even a pretty good weld. Yeah. That's the ugly one, I guess. Okay. Anyway, it's coming along. Quick little project for this morning. This is just a piece of 2-inch steel. I think it's just 1018. I just whacked it off on the new bandsaw, and we're gonna make this into a couple of end caps to fit some 1 3/4 tubing for his new bumper. Pretty simple one, but we're gonna turn our own. So then we weld it in. We're going to turn this down to 1.525 for about half inch or so. So this is 2 inch, so we got a ½ inch to come off. I just get that marked ½ inch. We'll do a 80 thousandths depth of cut here. Probably could feed that a little faster. This is 80 thousandths again, but a little faster. $1678. Need to go in another 76. We'll go in 70 and then fine tune it. So I'm turning this at 715 RPM, 5.2 thousandths feed rate. So this is a 70 thousandths cut. find a short piece of tubing to test on there. Okay, I whacked off a chunk of tube, and we're still a little big, so we should be able to take off about 6 more anyway. So see how that goes. Oh, that's a knock-on type fit. I mean, I can get it on there, but it's pretty snug. Of course, that's a really good fit, but it doesn't need to be that quite. We'll just take off a couple more and call it good. As you can see there, I could have took that all off in one pass. There, that's a good fit. That'll work. We'll put a little chamfer on the end. Now we're going to turn this OD down to 1.755, right in there, just so it's real close to this. What they're going to do is this one is a nice little dome shape on the end. It's going to go on. We'll turn it down the same outside as this, and they're just going to fusion TIG weld that on there so it looks really nice. Mark at distance. I think we'll go down there probably 3/8 of an inch. Yeah, I'll do about that. I'll go down at 400 thousandths. About thousandths big, which is just fine. I'm going to put a little chamfer on the edge there, just to they're going to do a little fusion type weld, but we'll give them a little chamfer for the bead. I think that'll be enough, just a little bit. one part off, and then we'll spin up another one. Actually, I'm just gonna throw this in the band, so I'll cut that off. Then I'll turn another one, and then flip them around, and we'll try to make a nice smooth radius on the front. Okay, here's number two. I just got off the phone with Adam Booth. I talked to him for a little bit. So try to get this thing done here. This is a 120,000 depth of cut. Trying to get a chip there. That's at D1. That's at 5.2 thousandths. Try to get it up here to see if we can do about 8. There. This is like 8.2 thousandths. We're gonna try to get it off here. Let me see how. I got still quite a bit to go, so I can do another 110 thousandths. Be really close, so I'll do 100, and then we'll do a finish cut on it. This tool's holding up real good. This is a gold Adam Booth chip breaker. 20 thousandths. I'm going to see where this one ended up. I'll make it the same as this one. So this one ended up, for slipping in good, was 1519. So we'll go 1520, and we're at 45. So 20 thousandths off. There we go. Yeah, 21. I think that's fine probably. Oh yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, we're gonna cut this one off. Okay, we gotta cut off here. Wipe it off, I guess, a little bit. Clean this magnet off. So he wants to have a kind of a radius on there. Well, I don't have a radius tool, so I'm going to face it off down to our shoulder, and then down to our turn part, you know. And I'm just going to angle it and call it good. No radiuses today. I don't have time. think we'll just go a couple degrees compound and call it good. So I decided on about, I don't know, 12 degrees or something. I think that'll look okay. I'm going to turn it just to a point, so just a point. There, a little polish down there. Perfect. Piece of the tubing he's using. Oh, beautiful. Perfect there. I'll just do a little fusion weld, TIG weld around there, and that will come out just phenomenal. Here's the finished caps. Pretty simple. Came out nice though. This one's I stuck this in a piece of tubing just so you see, and then they'll weld it up right there like. But this will be on the bumper. This is just a sample of the tubing. Nice solid end cap. Slip it in, weld it. Simple, simple. Anyway, came out nice though. Alright guys, thanks. Hey guys, we just finished installing the security system for Randy Richard in the shop. And we're going to give it a full-blown test on camera. See how it works, see what you guys think. Okay, I'm going to go outside and we'll see what happens there. Pretend to break in. Alrighty. Well, that concluded our test of the Randy Richard in the shop security system. It works 100%. Alrighty, thanks for watching, you guys.